Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to add stickers on Canva. To add stickers in Canva, first of all, open your Canva application and log into your account. After you are signed into Canva, select one of the design you'd like to work on, or you can also create a new design or open up a blank canvas as well. I'm just gonna open up a blank canvas over here so that I can show you how to add stickers more easier. Now once you open up a canvas or you've chosen a design template, tap the Elements button at the bottom of the screen. Go to the search box at the top where it says Search Elements and then look for the Stickers option. Scroll through the available stickers and click on the one to add it to your canvas. After choosing an element, you will be able to see it on your preview screen. After you've dragged and dropped the stickers where you want them on your design, you can go ahead and replace your sticker. Simply tap on it and then drag it and put it on your desired area along the screen. You can also resize your sticker by dragging the corners and adjust its size. You can also rotate the sticker by using the rotate handle to change its angle. If you want to create multiple copies of the same sticker, tap on this little button right in between the trash button and the dialog button. After you do that, you will be able to select and create multiple stickers. You can create copies of them as well, and that's how you do it. You can now combine stickers with text or images to enhance your design. That is how you can easily add stickers on Canva design so that you can enhance your design in a fun way. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.